Hello guys and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So in today's video I am going to teach you on how to actually turning on a background refreshing function for your Xcode project. So I have, for example, in this project I have made my own MQTT home automation application, which is actually related to my hardware that I have built by myself within the integration of an 8051 microcontroller and the ESP8266. And also in this project I am using the Cacao MQTT port, which is mean that I have include the MQTT communication protocol in order to establish the entire communication on the internet with the accessible from the server, the broker of the MQTT server. So, but something that I have found is that when I have established the app and done all the design, I have tested and run it. So now you can see I have built it, and we will see the result together. So okay, so this is the app. Let me getting out first. Okay, so this is my application that I have designed. So it's called Home Automation, and I click on it, and then I start to press start, and now you can see the application load up, and you can see the result in here in the output, and you see that it start to connect and subscribe to all the server. And also now you can see that the tree lamp is actually turning on just because my hardware is turning on. So I'm trying to turn it off right now using manual turn off by pressing the physical switch. Okay, so you will see that it will start to gone away. The light is gone away. So I have turned it off every light sensor. Also the light sensor detect no more light, and it turned it off automatically. But you can see that the result in here is keep loading just because we are inside the application, and it keep refreshing every second. So now it keep refreshing from refreshing the temperature and humidity, also refreshing the data of the light sensor. But there's an issue when you press the home button to exit the app, and now you have find out there is no more connection in here. So the output is no longer sending or giving a feedback, just because we have an issue with a background fetching data. So all we have to do is to enable the background fetching data, so that no matter we leaving the app, we exiting the app, but the data is still fetching, and it's keep running in the background. So how do we do that? Well, in order to turn on the background refreshing app, you have to follow some step inside an Xcode. So let's get started. Now on Xcode, once you have your own project, you're going to select on your main project file up right here. Yep, and then you're going to, once you click right here, it will actually land on general page. So you switch from general page into capability, and then you will search for the word background mode. So here it is, we have the background mode, and we're gonna press it down there. So you see that we haven't yet turned it on, so we're gonna toggle it on, and allow everything from remote notification to background fetch. Also, you can just ignore up here, or if you wanted to just check it all. I'm going to check it all, so it doesn't affect anything. Just going to check it all. So now we have our background mode function all checked and turn on, and all we have to do now is to to rebuild the app again. So now let it build. Okay, so now the application is rebuilt, and we start to press the start button again. Now the data start to fetching, and it's run normally just like before. Inside the application it keep running, it keep fetching the data. But when we exit the application, we still can see that the data is keep fetching because we have enabled the background fetching data mode for the application. So this is actually how you turn it on, your background fetching data, or making your app running in the background mode. So if this video is really helpful to you, or if you enjoy this video, please give me a like, comment, or even share the video. And also don't forget to subscribe in order to get an even more interested video in the upcoming future related to Xcode. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.